This program is rated SPG. It contains scenes with themes, language, violence, sex, horror, or drugs, which may not be suitable for children. Strong parental guidance.
Guys, I think I just started another cat raid. Let me charge. Okay, just wait. I'm just trying to charge my freaking phone. There we go. I started to lag. Look, how many cats there are. I'm putting more traps. Okay, found a trap. Opening trap. No, there's a trap somewhere there. I should use grass blocks. The undercovered ones. I found one. I only found one. And you guys thought you guys can go back to your meeting spot? No, how much more than now? Come on, cut these. Look, we just push it harder. Okay, opening the road. Okay, I know there's one there. Oh, one here. Oh. No. Still nothing found. I think I should make a big hole right here. I'm no smart. Oh wait, lava. I need to drain it. Still not drained. Oh, there we go, drained. Ah! Hindi kaya. Okay, I should make another hole. That's very good. Okay, I think I should turn this. Here. See, you guys are trapped. This is the mega final boss. I can still eat you up. Okay, maybe it's one there, no. One there, no. One there, no. Still a no. Yes. Bruh. There we go, being drained. There we go, it's drained. Told you guys. Making a new hole right here. No hole means no more traps. Okay, new traps are getting put. Once you guys are trapped, you cannot get out. Some were standing there, so I put another trap there. Oh my god, I forgot I was close to one. What? Whoopsie. There we go. I know I just... Oh. Why that's Henderson. Making a new one. some could be in the area. That's the most one. Oh my god, it's the same thing again. But there's a sheep. What are you doing? You're judging me? Get slapped. Okay, some of them are still here. They can't even have meetings because I just put a hole here. See, I'm no way smarter. Now, I'm gonna finish you guys by adding more holes. What? What? Oh my god. What is the water? Some just a boy that really smarter than me. What the Sigma? Okay, let me find some. How are you guys still there? Don't get out. Finally ending the raid. Ending the raid now. Close the gate. Close the gate. So, gotcha. Bigger holes. Come back here. I'm ending the raid. You guys cannot make more raids, huh? Okay, it's night time, sleepy. Bruh. There we go, day 2 starts. Okay. Some haven't even went there first because they're smarter. Look, some of them didn't some did. Even some went to the mall. They even went further. Oh my god, the big cat! Kitty, what you doing? I'm not allowed to go there. Okay, only a few cats left. Okay, still got more detected. More cats detected. So, time for the area where they keep into the rails. You guys are not going to the rails. Yo! You! Mind you guys have to go to hide for me, but you guys cannot even hide for me. See, told you that I can defeat ya. Look, no more cat. Only a few cats left. Even you, and you, and you, and you start running away. Then you. So, I'm going to cover up these holes. Cover the holes up like nothing happened. You. I know there's not an. Okay, it's now gonna. The raid now finally ends. You guys stay there. There we go. You guys get trapped. Now the left ones are here. There's so many. I'm gonna end the raid now. With say bye-bye. The raid now ends. There we go. The raid now ends. Much faster. At least I just see in cats now. They're still not extinct. How? How? I thought the raid was over. There we go. The raid is now over. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe, and I don't know. Bye.